In the investment side of our business, it is around offering clients and investors the opportunity to invest in high quality direct real estate and real estate private equity that our team of experienced personnel source and manage. We then split it between two streams, which is the funds management angle, where we acquire commercial property in the unit trust structure, and then we sell down units in those trusts to both wholesale and retail investors. And then the private equity part of our business is much more opportunistic. It's currently very heavily focused on development. We have also done some smaller structured real estate transactions in the past as well. Our commercial property funds area has traditionally been about generally pretty passive investment, so buying commercial real estate that has predictable and stable cash flows backed by long leases and with tenants that are either corporate rated tenants, government or ASX listed, and the assets would be in strategic or prime locations. We are starting to diversify that out a little bit and considering value add opportunities where there's slightly more risk to the investor, but we get to use our team of experienced people with more active asset management skills to take on things such as releasing risk or capital expenditure risk and to reposition assets for the longer term.
Our funds own properties across Australia, so we've got New Acton East in Canberra, we've got the stables in Adelaide, we have 333 Exhibition Street and Laverton North in Melbourne, and Cambridge, Bedford, which is 2 office properties, one in Adelaide and one in Hobart. What we're seeking to do is create institutional quality investment products accessible to pretty much all investors.
In addition to our property funds, we have investments in private equity, usually in the development field where we can drive higher returns.
So KordaMentha has a history in doing development. That has predominantly been in smaller boutique residential apartment developments here in Melbourne where we use our balance sheet to do them. But as we have grown our business and we enter into some joint ventures, the development side of our business has grown. So we've gone from just doing residential apartments, we're now doing strata industrial units in Western Sydney, we're doing house and land in Brisbane, we're also doing units on the Gold Coast. So our development business continues to grow as we form strategic joint ventures.
We are reasonably asset agnostic. We can invest in office, retail, industrial, so long as they meet certain ingredients that meet the needs of our investors.